Day 6 of the Alliance Duel, the kill day, is fun, but it could be a nightmare for some free players. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will share the 5 ways to quickly score the Day 6 duel, even if you face a strong rival. Tasks. Defeating troops is the primary source of points on Day 6. We can break this down into 3 parts. Part 1, you earn points by defeating enemy troops. Part 2, you'll also gain points for any troops you lost during battles. Part 3, if the enemy is your rival in the Alliance Duel, you'll earn extra points from their defeated troops. The rival alliance is the one we are competing against in the Alliance Duel, and you can check their details here. Engaging in battles with them will help you accumulate points more quickly. Using any speed-ups will also contribute to your points on Day 6. This includes speed-ups for construction, research, and troop training, as well as speeding up the healing process for injured troops, all of which will give you points. Method 1, Fight. Attacking shelters is a straightforward way to earn points. However, before launching an attack, read your alliance rules. Do not attack allies or alliances with a non-aggression pact, NAP. Choosing shelters with a high number of troops can help you earn points more quickly. Remember to activate your shield once you have enough points for Day 6. Method 2, Speed Up. If you are unavailable on Day 6 or prefer not to attack anyone, you can activate a 24-hour shield as soon as Day 6 begins. You can still participate in daily activities, such as rallying the boomers. To reach the Day 6 goal, feel free to use speed-ups. According to the spreadsheet, we will need approximately 28 days of speed-ups to accumulate over 2 million points. Any type of speed-up, such as for construction, research, training, or healing, can be used to earn points. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Method 3, Open House. If your rival alliance is strong, they will likely invade your server. Don't put on a shield and let the invader attack your shelter. Closely monitor your hospital and use speed up to instantly heal the wounded troops to prevent your hospital from becoming overwhelmed. You can gain points from the defeated troops from you and the invader, as well as the healing speed up. To accommodate more wounded troops, consider increasing your hospital's capacity. This can be achieved by leveling up your hospital and conducting research in hospital management. Put on a shield when you have enough points. Method 4, Lure the enemy. This method effectively earns points while your shelter remains safe from attacks. First, activate a shield to prevent anyone from attacking you. Although you cannot attack other players while your shield is active, you can strategically lure them into attacking your truck instead. To do this, march your truck close to the enemy's shelter and sit there. The enemy will likely target your truck, thinking you might attempt a sneak attack on their shelter. As a result, you will earn points from the defeated troops on both sides. Method 5, Capital Crush. Participating in the Capital Crush event is a great way to earn duel points quickly. To join the event, teleport to the capital. Remember that once you are there, you cannot use a shield. Follow the instructions from your alliance management for attacking or defending the capital and the turret. Alternatively, you can use Method 4 in the capital area to gain points. Simply station your trucks near the capital, and other players will attack them. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.